Jumping right into it, Nia's hair is all clipped up and ready to go. I always start in the back and then I go in with Miche Beauty Lavish Leave-In Conditioner, which is a lifesaver. It keeps her hair soft, moisturized, and easy to detangle. I like to smooth it in with my fingers first to make sure every strand is coated before I go in with a comb or brush. Taking the time here prevents breakage and makes the whole process smoother. By the way, I'm Therese, and I share natural hair care and mom life routines here on my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. Now I'm moving on to the front of her head. And I like to focus on this area because it's the first thing people notice. And clean, neat parts really make the style. I smooth in the braid gel at the base to keep the flyaways down and help the braid last longer. I also like to split the section of hair in half and apply a bit more braid gel for even more smoothing. The gel also gives a nice grip so I don't have to pull too tight, which keeps her edges and scalp nice and healthy. Here I'm braiding the first section. I keep it snug but gentle so it's comfortable for her and it still holds. Not only with kids' hair, but hair in general, healthy edges and a happy scalp matter way more than a perfectly tight braid. Moving on to the middle section at the top. I added more braid gel and I braid it down slowly. This part takes patience, especially when your little one is wiggly, but the top braid really anchors the style and makes everything look put together. I just have to keep working my way through this section, making sure the gel is smoothed in so the braid holds. This is what the style is looking like so far, and there goes Nee singing her little song, and there goes mom life summed up. The camera gave up, I almost gave up, but we're right back at it. Now we're on to the back of her hair. I spray each section with warm distilled water to rehydrate her curls. As always, I like to take my time finger parting first for gentle detangling and making sure that each part is clean and neat when I go in with a rat tail comb. I use distilled water because of its purity for hair and skin compared to tap water, and of course I clip away the sections that I'm not working on. Then I add the Miche Beauty setting foam for a soft and long-lasting hold that helps define the curls, and the Miche Beauty Bounce Cream for moisture and shine. I'm going to work that in, detangle some more, and begin to twist. Two trans twists are one of my go-to protector styles because they're easy to maintain, it keeps her ends protected, and makes mornings so much easier, which is a big deal when you're a busy mom. And it's really helping to retain her length. Look at that. Look at the length of her hair. Now I'm just continuing to work section by section, twisting from root to tip, detangling, spraying with more water on the ends, and making sure that the hair is smooth and so it doesn't unravel. I keep twisting until one side is done. The twists are giving bouncy. As you can see, there's still one side to go. And boom! If only it would go this fast in real life. But honestly, most of the time, I don't mind because it's also bonding time for us. We laugh, we talk, we sing, we have fun while I do our hair. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. If you enjoyed hanging out with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple styles and mom-friendly routines. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!